Right. Are you ready to start? Atle? All right, so yesterday we were doing easy questions. Look at it. Now, we just do one from yesterday with you. Look, if we had gotten this one, which I think you guys did, number 3B, you had your nice, they tried to fool you, huh? But you're not, they cannot fool you. Okay, I know they can't fool you. You guys are beyond that level now. They gave you this, then they told you this is 8.0 meters. No, this is not from yesterday. This is from today. Okay. Okay, let me do this one so that I show you. Well, let's start with one from yesterday. Number 2. I'll do number 2C. Huh? You had it like this, like this, like this. And this was 13.5. This was 4.5. And then they didn't give you anything, so we'll call this our x. Now, we can see that we need Pythagoras because this has a right angle. So all we do is to find this missing side, we need to see who our hypotenuse is. Who is hypotenuse in this case? Who is it? Yes, this is x. Alex, do you agree with me? Mr. Alexi? Who is the hypotenuse in this case, Mr. Alexi? Tell me. Who is the hypotenuse? Yes. I need you guys to lock in now, okay, for a few minutes. We need to move. We need to have progress. Progress is important. So hypotenuse is x. What does Pythagoras say? Can everybody tell me? Pythagoras says 3 things. Eh? Number 1, you should square everything. Right? Is it true or is it not true? Does Pythagoras say you should square everything? Yes. Number 2, you should add the things. Does Pythagoras say this? Yes. Okay, you're not subtracting, you will add, but they must be squared, right? Okay. Alexi, the things must be what? Tell me rule number 1. We must do what to everything, Alexi? Yes, we must square everything. So are we allowed to write Pythagoras theorem where we write like this? X is equal to 5 plus 7. Is this Pythagoras theorem? Why? Why is it not? Because it's not squared. Everything should be squared. Thank you. So you must square everything. What about the other thing? Are we allowed to write it like this? 7 squared is equal to x squared, or 5 squared minus x squared. Are we allowed to write it like this? No, the x is supposed to have it, but everything should have a square. The x, we will then remove it, but first you must write it. But can I ask you a question, guys? Is this true, Pythagoras theorem, this one? Is it true? Are you serious? What does this rule say? Read rule number 2, Alex. The things must do what? And what are we doing here? Are we adding here? Class. Thank you. You're supposed to put a plus here when you start. So this is wrong. You know that machine which tells you correct. Wrong. So this is wrong. This is wrong. It was supposed to be like this, plus. Then I'll say, good Pythagoras theorem. Do you understand? So let's do our Pythagoras theorem here. And the third thing that Pythagoras theorem says is that, let's write the third rule. So things must be squared, they must add, and then hypotenuse must be alone. Are we together? Who must be alone? Tell me, all 3 of you, who must be alone? The hypotenuse. The hypotenuse must be alone. Don't forget, the hypotenuse must be alone. Right, let's solve this one. So you have to find the hypotenuse, right? So that you make it alone, right? In this case, the hypotenuse is what? Vic, what is the hypotenuse in this case? And number 2c, who is our hypotenuse? It's x. So x must be what? Alone, right? So we are going to say x squared is equal to 13.5 squared plus 4.5 squared. Is this true, Alex? Tell me the reasons why this is true. Reason number 1 is squared. Reason number 2, it's adding. Well done. What about reason number 3? The hypotenuse is alone, right? Well done. So now what, we can just continue and get our answer. We now take this power of 2 to the other side. It will remain as an x. It will be now the square root of 13.5 squared plus 4.5 squared, right? Then we can get our answer like you were doing yesterday. Is this hard? Guys, tell me, is this hard? Okay, 80, is this hard? 80. All right, now let's do a harder one. Let's now go to number 3 because you're supposed to do them. Huh? This is your exercise for today. Look close and I'm going to give you. You have to do more. You have to do. You guys are good. Listen, let's go down. Don't let me down. Look at number 3 now. Look at this triangle. I'll do 3b. Look at this triangle, boys. They put a right angle on it. Then they did something like this. This is the triangle. Can you see this triangle? Right, let's talk about it. This is 8.0. This is 6.4. And this will obviously be the x that we don't know. Right, Alex? Mr. Alexi? Do you see the side that will be x? Do you see it, Mr. Alexi, this one? All right. So now, so that we can apply those 3 rules, we should know our what? We should know our hypotenuse, right? If you don't have hypotenuse, then I don't want to look at your work. I don't know what you'll be doing. Who is our hypotenuse in this case, Mr. Alexi? If we go opposite the corner of the right angle, where do we go to? Mr. Alexi, who is our hypotenuse in this case? Look, no, Alex. Which side is this one? No, don't tell. Yes, you're changing the rules. Yes, it's 8.0 because it's opposite the corner of the right angle, right? That is the hypotenuse. Yes, is the hypotenuse. Yes, they can change it to be anything. So it's not even x in this case. So it's 8, right? So all the questions you're doing today, it won't be x. So look, it's 8. So now what do you write? Can you now write the Pythagoras Theorem? It says what? Who should be alone? The hypotenuse. So what is the hypotenuse, Alex? So you say 8.0. What should you do to it? Squared is equal to, what are the other 2 sides? Thank you. They must also be what? And what must they be doing to each other? Thank you. Do you agree with this, Mr. Atle? You agree with this? So now we should find the x. We first take this 6.4 to the other side. So it will be now 8.0 squared minus 6.4 squared is equal to, what remains this side? X squared. Don't just remove the squared. They were there in the Pythagoras theorem here. So they'll be there when you are now solving. This is the Pythagoras theorem, the very first statement only. But we are now solving from there. So we can take something to the other side and change it a little bit and stuff. Now we can take this power of 2 to the other side. What will it become? The square root. It's now 8.0 squared minus 6.4 squared. This is now x. Okay, we now have it as x. Tell me what answer you get. What answer do you get? What is the answer, guys? Oh, boys, you can't punch in the calculator now. Oh, man. Can you say square root and say 8.0 squared and then say minus 6.4 squared? Square root, then you open your bracket, you say 8.0 squared minus 6.4 squared. Come on now, boys. Come on now. Thank you. 4.8 is equal to x. Can you do this? Are you sure, guys? Mr. Abbottley, are you sure? Let's do this one. I'm drawing it from the other worksheet that I'm going to give you. Okay, so I'm going to make you take turns. For this one, AT, you're the one telling me the steps for this one. Then we do Alex, then we end with Vic, who's suffering because of the voice. Let's tell me. This one is AT. Then I'll give you Alex, I give you yours. AT, what should I do here? Tell me quickly. Identify the hypotenuse. And which one is the hypotenuse? It's 10. Why is it 10? Yes, it's opposite the right angle corner. So this is the hypotenuse, right? We do the hypotenuse. How do we write the Pythagoras theorem? Okay, and who should be alone? AT, who should be alone? AT, who should be alone? Rule number 3. Alex, can you read this rule number 3 and help him? Alex? Alexi? Can you guys hear me? Hello? Hello? Okay, can you guys hear me? Alex, can you hear me? I'm cutting. What is it like? It's fine now. Okay. Mr. Alexi, can you hear me? Okay, good. What is the rule number 3 now? I had asked you to say, who should be alone? We should now write the Pythagoras theorem. And who should we put to be alone? The hypotenuse. Right. Who is the hypotenuse? Huh? 10. So it will be 10. It should be alone. 10 squared will be equal to the other two. What are they? X and 6, right? And you write them as squared and they should be adding. Right, guys? Okay, so let's take 6 to the other side. We'll have what? 10 squared minus 6 squared is equal to x squared. Right? Then what do we do? Tell me fast. The x squared, the power of 2 to the other side, what does it become? Square root, right? Of 10 squared minus 6 squared, it will be the x. And what is that answer? What is the answer? 8. 8 is equal to x. Good job. Alex, are you ready to do yours now? Right. This is yours now. Tell me what I do here. This one is yours. Here they give you 12, right, Alex? Let's say they give you 12 centimeters here. And let's say here there's 13 centimeters, right? And let's say this is x. Now tell me, how do I get this x, Mr. Alex? Yeah, the right angle is here. Good job. Good question. So what do I do? Well done. And who is the hypotenuse in this case? Thank you. Thank you. So this is the hypotenuse. Really? No squared on it? Okay, 13 is equal to... What is it equal to? Okay, 12 plus x. Oh, so everything should be squared. Okay. You take, no. You need to take this criminal, Alex, to the other side, because you shouldn't be on the same side as x. Okay? So what do we now do? We can now start. So this is correct. You have done very well. You have written the Pythagoras theorem. You are done. But now there is the part of solving, right? No, when 12 goes to the other side, what does it become? This 12, we take it to the other side, Alex. What is it doing here? Yes, it becomes a negative of 12 squared, and it will be equal to x squared, right? So don't skip this part where you take it to the other side. Then now you can do the square root, okay? You can now remove this squared, take it to the other side. It will be now the square root, okay? Of 13 squared minus 12 squared being equal to x. What is that answer? Punch it, let's see. Punch it, let's see. Tell me what that answer is. Five. Okay, 5 is equal to x. Good job. Do you all see? Are we all seeing? This is x. This is 24. This is 25. Let's solve this one now. What do we do here? Yes, you find the hypotenuse. Which one is the hypotenuse? So this is the hypotenuse, right? This is the hypotenuse. Now write the Pythagoras theorem. What is it going to be? Okay, good. So 25 squared. Hypotenuse must be alone. Everybody, please don't change. Hypotenuse must be alone in the Pythagoras theorem. Well done. So 25 squared is equal to these other two guys that are not the hypotenuse. These other two, which is 24 squared plus x squared. Well done. Then what do you do now? So this is where it's tricky, Alex. This one, don't forget now. You have written the Pythagoras theorem very well. Now you need to solve. Okay, so you have written it well. Now you need to solve. So you now need to take 24 to the other side, right? You have 25 squared. What is 24 now coming to do, Mr. AT, Mr. Vic, I mean? What was it doing here? Pardon? Yes. So what will it do on the other side? So it will be minus 24 squared is equal to x squared, right? Now we take this power of 2 to the other side. What will it become? Square root. It would become square root of 25 squared minus 24 squared. Right, Vic? It is now equal to x. Good. Don't forget, you take that 24. Just do it in steps. Take the 24 to the other side and it will subtract. Then take the 2 to the other side so that x is remaining alone. It will become square root now of everything. Then you get an answer. These 2 steps. Come on now, boys. Come on now. Don't let me down. You wrote the Pythagoras theorem as step 1. Then step 2, you take 24 to the other side as a squared. It will now subtract. Then step 3, you take the power of 2 to the other side. It will become root. Are you seeing, Mr. Alex? Mr. Alexi, how many steps? How many steps do we have? 3 steps. Well done. The second step is to do what? Step 1 is the Pythagoras theorem, right? You write the Pythagoras, where hypotenuse must be alone, the hypotenuse, right? What about step 2? What do? You take these 24 to the other side, right? So that we get x to be alone. Can you see step 2? And when it goes to the other side, what will it do? Here it was adding. Yes, well done. That's the second step. Yes, you take this power of 2 to the other side, it now becomes square root. Thank you, boys. Right. Let's say, what is the answer? What is this answer going to be? What is this answer going to be, boys? Can you punch and tell me? Okay. So well done. So 7 centimeters is the answer. Are you able to do this? You guys won't let me down, will you? Please don't let me down. Start with this one as your number 1. Do A, B, and C. Let's see. These 3. A, B, and C. Please, let's see. Please don't let me down. These 3 here. Yes, draw them. Draw them, then label the unknown side as x, then find it. Alex, are you seeing? Let's get it done. Let's go. I want 100%, guys. Let's go, Mr. Alexi. Let's go, AT. Draw very nice triangles. I love how neat it was yesterday. Draw very nice triangles as neat as you can. And write 2 June. Remember to write the date. You write 2 June. Then you write this first triangle for 1/8. Then you write the second one. You do all the steps. I count on you. And then you do the third one, the part C. I'm counting on you as well. Yes, Alex. Yes, Alex. Are you done? What are you saying? Yes, Alex. Which one? 1, 2. 1, 2. I don't know why the mic sometimes is cutting. I don't know if it's the connection. I'll fix it. But yes, I was saying, are you on B now? And also, okay. And also just do number 4. It will be your number 2. So it's just these 2 questions. This is the number 2. We do A, B, and C. Draw the triangles nicely there. And then let's see. Let's see how it goes. '90s. I trust you guys. Remember, you do 3 steps. You draw your triangle. You choose hypotenuse, of course. Okay, put X for the unknown side and choose hypotenuse. Then do the 3 steps. First step is to write the Pythagoras Theorem. You know that Pythagoras Theorem says everything should be squared and there must be a plus and hypotenuse should be alone. So you have chosen your hypotenuse, make hypotenuse be alone. Make hypotenuse be alone. Then you start solving. Okay, you take the number to the other side, it becomes a minus. Then you take the square to the other side, it becomes a square root. And you're done. You can punch in the calculator and get an answer now. Don't let me down. Do the correct steps. Don't change my steps. Don't. Don't ever get tired or lazy and then jump any step. Do all the steps correctly. I want to see hypo. I want to see which side you chose for hypotenuse. The side opposite the right angle corner. I want you to leave it there on the working, on your working. I want you to show me so that I can know. I want to see if you followed the steps. Let's go, guys. Come on now. Yeah, Alex. Yeah, that's true. Good job. This book made a mistake there. Cambridge always puts the right angle. Sorry for that. Give me the right angle. I've put them on C and on number 2A. I've put the right angles for you guys. So now go for it, okay? I'm going to mark right now and we see what else to do. I'm going to mark right now. So I'm already making the solutions and I'm marking right now. So choose the hypotenuse, then write the Pythagoras theorem nicely. Make sure hypotenuse is alone. Then the other two sides will be alone and everything will be squared. They'll be adding. The other two sides will be on their own sides adding. Then you can now look for x. Take the number to the other side, then take the power of 2 to the other side and stuff like that. Good job. Go to the second one. Let's go. I'm also solving with you guys. I'm solving the same test. I'm writing my solutions. I hope you're now also number 2 because I started after you guys. Eh? I'm actually doing all the labeling, choosing the hypotenuse, so you must also do it. Are you done? Okay. I hope you're writing very neatly. Are we winning, boys? Okay, guys, are you done? I have my solutions. Are you done? Right. Let's put the links. So let me put the links for us. Let's put the links. AT, are you done? Vic, are you done? Okay. Let me put the links. Alexi, did you get the Google Classroom links for the other subjects? I sent them to you, right? I sent them. I sent you the Google Classroom links for for everything, right? Economics as well. Okay. Yes, I'm putting for maths for the checkpoint, guys. I also need to give you for physics, AT and Vic. But let me put. Let me. I'm putting it. It's called Class Test 2. Okay. Class Test 2. Class Test 2. Pythagoras Theorem again. Then in brackets, I'll say harder. I'll give you a Pythagoras Theorem assignment. Okay, this was just a class test. Are we together? Alexi, are we together? Alex, can you guys still hear me? Okay. I was saying, I don't remember. Oh, I was saying you're gonna get another assignment. You're gonna get some more questions as an assignment, okay? Submit on class test to everybody. Please submit. Okay, let me see what you got. Has everybody submitted? Vic, submit, submit, submit. Vic, how many are you left with? Have you submitted? Okay, I've seen it. Let me see. Yeah, good. I've seen it. Let me put the marks. All right. So now what I'm sending you into the group is the assignment on the same stuff, right? You start doing it now, right? Vic and AT, are we together? Victor son, AT. Yes, I'm sending you the assignment right now. You start working on it. I'm putting your marks in a few minutes. Then you can see them and I'll update them. Okay? Yes, I'm sending you a few questions, about 15 or 20 to do right now as an assignment, and then we meet at exactly 2 for you two guys, okay? For science and English. No problem. You're excused. You can start your lunch. Alexi? Wait. I need to discuss with you and show you some more things. Victorson and AT, you are dismissed. I'll send you the questions into the thing. Okay, Alex. Yes, I need to do a bit more with you in terms of accounts and thing and business studies, right? So you don't mind not going to the gym today, right? Or going later? What time do you want to go to the gym? Or you wanted to go as early as possible? And then what time are you coming back? 5. Why can't you fix the transport issue to make you come back earlier, bro? Mm, let me give her a ring and then we finalize that, okay? She'll be back here by 3 o'clock. If so for me to fix the coming back early. Oh my god. Yes, I'm trying to. 2 1 2 1 2. Can you hear me? I was saying, for me to fix the time you come back, for you to come back at 3, I need to talk to your mom. So that she gets you back at what time? So what time would she come get you? To be at class at 3:30. Yeah, that's good. That's fair. We can do that. So if she can pick you up at 3 o'clock to be in class at 3:30 or 3:45. All right, sure. Let me talk to you. Okay. Yeah, we do a lot. Yeah, I'm marking it right now. By the time you come back, you see your marks. All right, cheers. You can start your lunch, man.